Howdy folks, welcome to Module 9. In this module, you'll be focusing on two things, morphology and video analysis. Let's break this module into two parts. First, let's talk about morphology. Morphology is the study of word structure and relates to the morphemes or meaning units in words. A morpheme is the smallest unit of language that has meaning. Before you begin your readings, though, I am asking you to do something different this module. First, I want you to take a self-assessment for morphology skills. This is provided on Canvas for you to download. There is also a key, but don't check your self-assessment until after you have completed everything on morphology in this module. You are not turning this self-assessment in, but it is a neat way to think about learning. How can you teach something to someone if you yourself are lacking in that area? This module, you have one chapter reading from a textbook by Louisa Moats on morphology. Then, instead of 3 readings listed in your schedule for additional readings, you will only have one article to read, which is Clarabelle 2016. The reason why I did this is because you already have enough to do with video analysis in the remainder of this module. Your presentation this module is on the basics of morphology. You also have a discussion this module and 2 videos on morphemes to watch. For your quiz this module, be prepared to break apart a word into its morphemes. I provided you with a resource online for breaking apart morphemes for those interested in some practice before completing the quiz. Now let's get into the second part of this module on video analysis. This is the module you'll be working on the research study. Remember, you are still required to complete the activities and assignments for your video analysis, even if you do not consent to being in the study, as we are already setting you up to complete these activities for your coursework for this course. We will talk about this research study on video analysis in 4 parts. We will be doing parts 1 through 3 this module. Part 1 is for demographic information and consent. The first thing you will do for video analysis is complete the consent and demographic survey by using the link provided on Canvas and the password. The second part is where you will watch a video of someone teaching a literacy lesson and use the pre-analysis worksheet form on Canvas to write down a description of the lesson and any commentary from watching the lesson. Discuss things that grabbed your attention in terms of teaching and students learning. Once you are done, you'll upload that to Canvas. The next part of the research study, part 3, is where you will watch my voiced-over presentation, which teaches you about video analysis and a special acronym to help with analyzing videos. Then you will watch a video of a short literacy lesson with coaching related to the acronym you were just taught. Then for the third part of this research study, you will watch another literacy lesson and use the Teach Framework worksheet to record your analysis and upload that to Canvas. The fourth part of this study will be included in Module 10 for you to complete, so stay tuned for that in the next module next week.